Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable streaming responses in OpenAI SDK step by step clearly. To enable streaming responses in the OpenAI SDK, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the SDK installed. Open your terminal or command prompt. Run the command pip install upgrade OpenAI to get the latest updates. Next, open your preferred code editor to begin writing your script. Import the OpenAI library at the top of your code using the statement import OpenAI. Set up your API key for authentication by adding OpenAI.API_key equals your _API_key. Now, prepare to configure your request for streaming. Define a function that will handle your API call. Use the OpenAI.ChatCompletion.create method to initiate the request. In your method call, set the model parameter to the appropriate model name. Include a messages parameter with the conversation history as a list of dictionaries. To enable streaming, add the parameter stream equals true. Within your function, use a loop to handle the streaming responses. Iterate over the response using forResponse and OpenAI.ChatCompletion.create. Access the text of each streaming response with response.choices, 0.delta.content. Print or process each received chunk of text as it arrives. Finally, run the function to execute your script and enable streaming responses. Check your output to verify that streaming is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.